Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good news for everyone, especially those na nag-inquire regarding sa tourism, hospitality industry. There's a new PR or permanent resident stream pathway ngayon po na ilo-launch sa province of Alberta dito sa Canada. And just recently, they announced na you will only need 6 months work-related experience to apply in this stream or immigration stream nga, which can lead to permanent residence dito sa province of Alberta. Magandang balita to para sa mga kababayan natin, mga subscribers na nagtatanong dito sa channel. For those, again, people na may work experience or currently nagwo-work sa tourism and hospitality industry. It can be restaurant, food services, or again, tourism. Tourism industry, lalo na kasi rito sa Alberta, talagang booming yung tourism industry dito. Yung mountain views, pupunta ka sa Jasper, sa Banff, and then they need people because they really are short staff, and talagang kailangan nila mas dumadami yung tourists from other country or from other places dito sa Canada na nagpupunta sa Alberta to check yung mga beautiful sceneries and views, and kailangan nila ng tao talaga. The good news is they just announced recently that to be eligible you only need 6 months of related work experience para makapag-apply dito sa program na to, and again with pathway for permanent residence dito sa Canada. And yung qualifications na na-indicate is you should be able to get a job offer which is permanent and or full-time. Hindi siya yung part-time na job that you only get like 15 to 20 hours a week. It should be at least 30 hours a week to be considered full-time po dito sa Canada. And then hindi siya then seasonal, and dapat makakakuha ka ng employer or magwo-work ka dun sa mga eligible employer, and I don't know how are they gonna check that, but they should be able to do it. So, ang isa pang requirement is you need to prove na you are willing to reside in the province of Alberta. Isa sa maganda sa program na to, again, under ng tourism and hospitality stream, is this is a priority stream, which means lahat ng applications, pagpoproseso ng papel, and yung bilis ng approval is talagang ipa-priority nila para makapag-start ka agad yung mga workers na nag-a-apply either from other country or yung mga currently na nagwo-work dito na sa province of Alberta related nga dito sa field or industry na to na nabanggit. So yun, because they really need a lot of staff in this field, lalo na malapit na yung spring and then summer. Lots of people from other countries or within Canada are really eyeing or going to see the beautiful sceneries of Alberta and mountains, lakes. You know, karamihan dyan napupunta sa Banff, and then sa border ng BC or British Columbia, and then sa Jasper. So sobrang dami talaga. Actually last year merong record-breaking crowd na nagpunta, mga tourists, sa Lake Louise, and parang they find it, hindi naman siya disturbing, pero kasi sobrang crowded, so natatakot sila na baka ma-abuse yung environment. So, yun, probably maaari naisip nila na maging ganun uli karami. Just to add, etong new stream na to, which is the tourism and hospitality industry, actually under siya ng immigration program in the province of Alberta, which they call it the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program, the AAIP. Popular to dun sa mga students dito sa province of Alberta, and then later mga nakakakuha ng postgraduate work permit, and then later makapag-gain ng work experience, and then later makapag-apply dito nga sa program na to kasi may required na 12 months or 1 year para dun sa mga nakakuha ng postgraduate work permit or dun sa mga student. Then after makapag-gain ng work experience sa Alberta, pwede sila makapag-apply through express entry or provincial nominee under nitong AAIP or Alberta Advantage Immigration Program nga. And then another one is yung mga worker na under ng LAMIA. Dito rin sila pwede mag-apply under ng AAIP. So yung mga nakakuha ng LAMIA work-based, and then later on maging eligible na sila. I'm not sure dito sa Alberta for this year kasi nung time na nagland ako dito 2014, you need to work for correct me if I'm wrong guys, pero ang pagkakatanda ko noon, year 2014, at least 9 months. 2013, 2014, 9 months nakapag-work ka sa Alberta, and then para ma-nominate ka ng Canadian employer. Again, specific yun sa province of Alberta. So, 9 months minimum. And for example, nakapag-work ako rito as foreign worker sa food service restaurant ng 9 months. After that, pwede na akong i-nominate ng Canadian employer ko, and then may submit yung application sa province of Alberta, and then later federal kung ma-approve. Under tong tourism and hospitality industry again ng Alberta Advantage Immigration Program, which is AAIP, but the thing is they already discontinued or suspended itong program. Every year meron silang allocation per immigration program. Like sa express entry, may certain numbers lang yan ng mga applicants na pwede nilang accept. And for this AAIP, again sa Alberta, I think around 9,000 to 10,000 applications lang ang target nila. Recently, they have announced na reach na nila yung quota. So by last February 15, yun nga, tinigil na nila or sinuspend itong program. Right now, ang priority nila is itong tourism, hospitality, healthcare, construction, technology. That's why they come up with this new immigration stream under Alberta, which is the tourism and hospitality stream. Lalo na ngayon nga, papalapit na yung summer. Around that time or season, talagang booming yung tourism. Maraming visitors na nagpupunta or tourists from other country and within Canada. They suspended this program, the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program, but for sure later on they will open it again, but with a new qualifications and rules. Just check out for them. Gaya ng nasabi ko sa ibang videos ko dito sa channel, dito sa Canada talagang pabago-bago yung yung rules, lalo na sa immigrations. So just check out for that kapag lumabas na uli sa mga nag-aabang kung kailan nila i-open itong AAIP program for those student with postgraduate work permit and then under ng LAMIA. So just keep on checking on Alberta government website or sa website ng IRCC, Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada. And good luck sa mga possible mga applicants. Check nyo to and hopefully makuha nyo yung job, makapag-process kayo, and for sure mabilis nila ipoproseso to, as they say it's a priority stream. Let's hope for the best and good luck everyone.